In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post to your Substack homepage. Pinning a post is a great way to highlight important content like a welcome message, a key announcement, or a flagship article you want new visitors to see first. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can set this up in just a few minutes. First, go ahead and log into your Substack account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is your central hub where you can see an overview of your publication and access the main tools you'll use. Now that you're in the dashboard, keep your eyes on that same left-hand menu. Under the section called Content, you'll find an item labeled Posts. Go ahead and click on Posts. When you do this, the page will reload to show a list of all the posts you've created for your publication. This includes published posts and in some cases drafts or scheduled posts depending on your filters. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the specific post you want to pin to your homepage. It might help to quickly scan the titles or use any available search or filter tools if you have a lot of content. Once you've found the post you want to feature, look to the right side of that post's row. You should see a small More Options icon, often represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu of additional actions you can take for this post. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Pin to Homepage. Click on Pin to Homepage, and Substack will automatically set that post as pinned. That means it will now appear prominently at the top of your publication's homepage, making it the first thing visitors see. If you'd like to double-check, you can open your public homepage in a new tab and refresh the page to confirm that the post is now pinned. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully pinned a post to your Substack homepage, helping you guide readers to the content that matters most.